Christopher Appy, and I'm going to do Randy from A Christmas Story. Right when I'm gonna bust, right then I readjust. Can't go to bed, instead my mind begins to race. Something's taking place. Every year I wait up to hear him go ho, ho, ho. 'Cause I know somewhere hovering over Indiana, Santa's covering ground with lightning speeds. High above the ground, flying down, better catch up with old Satan. Maybe still in Evansville, somewhere hovering over Indiana. Across the whole state and straight to me.
Get out of my way, Randy.
Get out of my way, Ralphie!
I was here first.
Was not!
Was two.
Was not!
Was two.
Was not!
Was two.
Was not!
Was two.
Was not!
Now hurry up and eat.
Aw, jeez!
Starving people would be glad to have that.
Ah, meatloaf, don't meatloaf! I hate meatloaf!
Randy, how do little piggies go? That's right. Oink, oink. Nice little piggies. Now how do little piggies eat? Here's your trough. How do little piggies eat? Be a good boy. Show Mommy how little piggies eat. Mommy's little piggies. That's right.
Aw, Mom!
Randy, no.
It's too cold to go to school.
There was no question of staying home. And getting ready for school was like preparing for extended deep sea diving.
I can't put my arms down.
What did you say?
I can't put my arms down.
What did you say?
I can't put my arms down. I can't put my arms down.
Ah, you'll put your arms down when you get to school.